In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on VAT in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have VAT fully enabled and ready to use, so your invoices and reports calculate tax correctly from day one. Let's start from the main QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen and find the navigation menu. In that menu, click on the option labeled Taxes. This is where QuickBooks keeps everything related to sales tax and VAT. Once that page loads, you should see an option for VAT. Go ahead and select VAT. If, instead of VAT, you see something called sales tax, don't worry. That usually just means your company region is set to a location where QuickBooks uses different terminology. The underlying function is the same. It's still the area where your tax settings are managed. If your region is wrong and you need it to specifically show VAT, you may need to review your company's regional settings separately, but for the purposes of this setup, the process is essentially the same. Now, if this is your very first time using VAT in this company file, you'll see a button or prompt that says Set up VAT. Click on Set up VAT to begin the configuration. This tells QuickBooks that you're ready to start tracking value-added tax on your transactions. Next, QuickBooks will ask you to enter your VAT details. Take your time on this screen because the information you provide here affects how your returns and calculations are handled going forward. First, you'll be asked for the month you need to start calculating VAT from. This should match the date from which your business is registered or obligated to track VAT. Choosing the correct start month helps ensure that your VAT reports align with your actual filing periods and that you don't miss any transactions. Then, select your VAT filing frequency. This could be monthly, quarterly, or yearly, depending on what your tax authority has assigned to your business. Make sure you match whatever is stated in your official VAT correspondence, so your deadlines and QuickBooks reports line up properly. You'll also choose your VAT accounting scheme, such as standard or accrual, or cash. Standard or accrual usually means VAT is calculated based on the invoice date, while cash means VAT is based on when money actually changes hands. If you're not sure which scheme you're on, check your registration documents or confirm with your accountant before proceeding. Next, enter your VAT registration number. This is typically a unique number issued by your tax authority, and it's required for the setup. Double-check that you've typed it correctly, since it may appear on your invoices and VAT reports. If your business uses a flat rate scheme, look for the checkbox that refers to that option. Tick the box to indicate you're on a flat rate, then enter your percentage rate. This tells QuickBooks to apply that flat percentage to your VAT calculations, rather than calculating VAT in the standard way on every individual sale and purchase. Once you've reviewed all the details and you're confident they're correct, click Next. QuickBooks may show you a brief summary of your settings. When everything looks good, select OK to complete the process. At this point, VAT is officially turned on in your QuickBooks Online company. From now on, you'll be able to assign VAT codes to your transactions, automatically calculate tax on your invoices, and run VAT reports that are aligned with your filing schedule and scheme.